In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging poll post on Reddit that grabs attention right away. First, open the subreddit where you want to post. This could be any community you're a member of, but make sure your poll idea fits the theme and rules of that subreddit. For example, if you're asking about video games, a gaming-related subreddit is usually a better fit than a general discussion one. Take a moment to quickly skim the posting rules in the sidebar so your poll doesn't get removed. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, look for the button that lets you create a new post. This is usually labeled something like Create Post or New Post, and it's often located near the top of the page. Click on that to open the post creation window. Inside the post creator, you'll typically see several post types you can choose from, such as text, image, link, or poll. Here, you want to specifically choose the poll option. Click on the poll type so Reddit shows you the fields to enter your question and the different poll choices. If you don't see a poll option, it may mean that particular subreddit doesn't allow polls, and you might need to choose a different community. Now it's time to focus on one of the most important parts of your poll: the hook. You want to start with a strong, eye-catching question that instantly makes people want to click and vote. A great hook is usually specific, a little provocative or nostalgic, and easy to answer. For example, instead of writing something generic like, "What's your favorite game?" you could use a stronger hook such as, "Which game wasted the most hours of your life?" This kind of question taps into people's experiences and emotions. It makes them think back to those games they played for way too long and encourages them to share that with others. When you write your hook, place it as the main poll question or in the title of your post, depending on the layout Reddit gives you. Keep it clear, concise, and conversational, as if you're talking directly to a friend. After that, add your poll options that match the question you're asking. Once everything looks good, double check your wording, make sure your hook is compelling, and then go ahead and post your poll to the subreddit.